Alright, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to make a greenhouse for my bonsai with a 3D pen. I got this 3D pen a while ago and I've been playing around with it, building sculptures, doing things like that. I found that's also really handy for different, more practical tasks. For example, I have a bunch of tropical bonsais that I have to bring in during the winter so they don't die. I usually keep plastic wrap over the soil so they don't dry out too fast, so I decided to build some scaffolding that could hold up the plastic wrap that will act kind of like a greenhouse, which will let the moss inside grow and keep the moisture in. The pen itself is fairly easy to use. It's sort of like a more precise hot glue gun, which doesn't get quite as hot. There's a number of different techniques you can use with the pen. You can draw directly on the object that you're building on, as you see me doing here. You can draw in the air with the pen and then hold up the filament with your hand or something else as it cools. You can also draw different pieces that you're going to need on another object, such as the base of the water pan or the base of the pot itself, then pull them off once they dry and attach them to the project. Anyway, this is easily as satisfying to do as it is to watch. I definitely recommend you try one of these out if you have any interest. The pen's only like $50, so it's pretty within reach, and the filament's really cheap. So bringing it back to woodworking, I initially got this as a tool to do some utilitarian stuff. For example, I'm working on trying to build some connectors that'll allow me to connect different hose sizes and stuff like that without buying the actual connectors. If you're interested to see how those things are going, check out my Instagram at Nathan Builds for more of this kind of behind the scenes stuff. I probably won't post a lot of videos like this, but I thought I'd give it a shot, see if anybody liked it. Alright, I'll shut up now and let you enjoy the rest of the video. And that was it. This didn't take that long, and I know this has been a little bit different than most of my videos, so let me know if you enjoyed it by giving me a thumbs up or leaving me a comment down below. I have another couple woodworking projects coming up, so keep an eye out for those. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next episode.